Hey guys, 900k free coins and 9000 stars in Gardenscapes game. This is not any cheat. This is possible for real thanks to our sponsors who offered us a method to get them for free. So, alright, I'm gonna make sure my power saving mode is turned off. Here I'm gonna enable and disable it again just to be sure about that. Then I want to show you guys my Gardenscapes game, and here's the situation before trying anything. Please make sure you tap on your settings icon and check again your username because we're gonna use it later. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontwig.com, make sure it's the .com one, then I search for the Gardenscapes game to find it easier and tap on start. Here I'm entering my username, then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of coins and stars. As I've already mentioned guys, these Gardenscapes resources are given by some awesome sponsors, and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry about it because this step is super easy and it generally takes you a few minutes of your time. Now let's go back to our game and see what happened. And here you go guys, the free resources are here in my Gardenscapes game. I'll put my fingers above so you can see this is for real. Hope you also enjoyed this method, and please don't forget to smash that like button and even hit the subscribe one if you wish. See you in the next one.